Mkurobrio Chigosori Nigokoletu Asore na Peak Uniforms and Sports Center Abarosia na Buigo Abonia Bechianga ao Chokobeka Vanyore imeyumu chukisi ase nyumba ya Baraka Building angena Shivling Supermarket Gosoba Kresime ase namba enoti isaronegere ibere noti isato kianda isarone isato isaronemo enoti. Spexels Opticians abubale si kliniki kiagudika imeyomu chukisi nkurwa barabo korali ao asamangana ya maiso nako niebirole magiga yogo kolenga na kumanyumu chandu.
Kwa majina naitwa Daktari Sigei, karibuni sana Spexels Opticians Kisii Town. Hapa tunapima macho tukitumia mashine za kiteknolojia za kisasa bila malipo. Tunauza miwani, frames na lenses tofauti na tunakubali kadi za bima.
Chiframe guchakira chishilingi chimia isano neizeto nemerongetano na boige setingima ase chishilingi elweyemo ne chimia isano ase ofa babuate etaraera.
Milango yetu iko wazi kutoka Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 11 jioni na pia Jumamosi kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 10 jioni.
Nigo bare angene supermarket ya Shivling na KCB Bank imeyumu chukisi na boko bakiresimi ase namba enoti ayemo enoti isano marakabire enoti ayemo. Spexels Opticians, Goodka Clinic, macho bora kwa wote.
Chamwe na kwa revena somro very wechi Gusii vuna botambe kore turanchende mo Steven Captain 00 nasema tene marago benki yanka buga sore asta wati meno vya English Premier League, Spanish La Liga, German Bundesliga, Italian Serie A, France League 1 nagatie chiligi chirichinde cha Europe asaba matene nka kienge yoko vatia mangana ya rengite Chigosori cha kuroro wangorwa Gusii ense ya Kenya nandake abaga tonyare koganya chinsa chamaro wabenga Chigosori cha World Cup chirabe kova Chigosori gutima idinkoro ansemo kiryogo korwa nabo kuri SMS wetere nambere gurabwa se screen yao withera se nambe yote byandake nkoru nsemo kieri ogotonyana ndakorwa na anda kumurubiri bwa Chigosori na kyoko goikera na goikera voniga etinyo ya World Cup ya sokire usetera soka cyane ni England na lero iga ase wancha kwanya sayango sokitore France isiko eye yawe ro yaikira gosoka nabote abigoikera voniga yao na kiere ase bana kwaliga ni bena somurubiri bwa Chigosori okore tubuna butambe na injende mo Steven Captain 001. Namoncho morini metava che na vange valikuwa cha gotera sense merie posta varigota sense moya Ndizi TV kwa vamo na Captain na utevia mangana mangara rengite Chigosori chete sengenjo ne vinge via korekanire gati yavo igetikia Gusii Stadium astenga kientanga ni PSM ya kevere ngenya litoko bage kwarigania Gusii ya National Super League abase timu ya Shabana FC yabe teko bage kobwego ria ya mo asevo sasa bale Gusii na SS Asad kolende to ikasense moya mangana yenkuyo ndokwana Gusii yuke boikirano nanda kikeli abaworo kyabane b'ikitimu cyonsibere babwate kyogote abakolende taranyara go ikense metara betoko sanga nere saiti oyuore mubwata nikorase kambekerigia Football Kenya Federation no ara igase studio nere vice chairperson wekambekerigia Football Kenya Federation ime county ya Kisii ndobwate nsementangani yuni mataba nambaro robaganyete kororanda ki umwana omwabo nimkyago chikobaka akoteva nabuna chiskuru chireiga ase a holiday ndobwata iga omwana andake okosore osori ya chess Imete chess ene Chigosori ndake nante bitobauti ya chess no boche ne draft ne reri kurende chess ngati Chigosori chiri chigokorekana imechi skuru na ase chinga tobato mwana yu aigase studio na karibu sana kwa studio. Tunaweza kurukanike Gusii yake Kiswahili yake Kisongo yake, kwa hivyo karibu sana kwa studio. Unaanza na jina yako na labda chess ulianza kuicheza ukiwa na miaka ngapi?
My name is Adrian Kingsley Moinga. I started playing chess when I was 9 years old, and right now I'm 11 years old. I want to tell you that chess, it's a good game. It's a mind game that you need to concentration. And in chess, you need to have a plan, and your plan is the way how you plan things in your life, not only just in chess, but even in your life. Even before you do something, you need to plan. Chess, people confuse chess and draft, but chess, it's good because it's like an education game, because it builds your child, your daughter, or your son's game. Even you, our parents, I want to assure you that chess, it builds you. It makes your mind so sharp and so you can concentrate, and it has helped a lot of people so that they can pass the exam. Thank you.
Wow, manchumo ligere dai wote ege songe kungi wote kore sema kabere studio Petrolina Mukeira na Joshua Uta abate bandemo nki kwa abate bazobya sike Gusii tigamba tebi Petronira Joshua Uta na bali bonse motori jana gote ba chess ne Chigosori engia na beko jara koyora everenge review andake na ne Chigosori kinoche buna bana Chigosori chess buna bwa tobole mu buna bakukwana everenge review abo tali gotabataba na ametinge tata goteba nekyo na kiago teba ndake tatumwe bono araiga umwana nge yakoleto gatebo umwana one oikachi ese chess ese emisemi akebere ya itire ya maega iga chakaneria tariao.
Okay, buyamono ese italia ne Kingsley Mongeni umwana oyo na roche na what interest yoko nyako chess ese sim ono nande na inchi nyo mwenye nbuya kana chess anime to buya chess ono kareke weke tigankire gocho somwana ono kamufundisha wakakacha kaboiga ona bunaendete konya kwa chess
mwanje wewe ne wetato mwabaro Chigosori ye omwana akanyancha akamusira na yande onyo kubwato omwana wanchire gento tegoja kumutanga tanga unati ya vera nyomba ya bitagu byoka ene kibuna Chigosori lyanchete nkumusiro noche baka boniga no baraiga na babwire binte binge tali kesonge kugyonse pinkiri gocha bosa ebingati ya ebyego biryabwate ebinde na vegeta igase bigoti chikara chons pyoroche ine award ya nyorere gwetera chess inse emyake bere ma insmaga yoko base Chigosori ya chess konde ndo kwana mange wetera aso mano ya Adrian Kingsley ngeke kentagani yareta ko bakinkomonyore nsemo ya Kisii school tayari ngati abana bali kurorongo rwa Gusii banyarete go qualify na kwenda sensemeri ya Moi Girls Eldoret asa Chigosori chiri cha national churches asa bana babwate myaka inse ya 13 tonde sema ya kabere yesto torandake tere engakie yutu asange tenere nona ke Chigosori chiariganetigu na inkikeli oranyare kwemanya igore ya Chigosori ya chess tonde sema ya kabere studio. Aiga na seskuru ya Kisii school aiga se Chigosori chaba chigokorekana ase kerengo kia bana bake kerengo kia under 7 under 9 under 11 under 13 under 15 na under 17 na wase chiskuru au chaba chibweso kikorwa se kerengo keridie chiskuru choboroso primary schools na chiskuru chekerengo ya secondary asaba na wate miaka inse miaka 15 nebere au baika aiga asama menonyo kwene kianda kembara bibali baraba kwenda sentunde kubwatia.
And today we are having an event of picking a team that is proceeding to the nationals that will be held immediately schools close at Moi Girls Eldoret. And we have picked teams that are going to represent this region at the nationals that weekend after closing schools.
Where we had a total of 147 students from 15 schools taking part, and any participant who scored 2 points out of 6 automatically qualify for the nationals that shall be held in Eldoret.
One I was playing with somebody, it was a draw, but the others I defeated all of them. Some others were not in my age, some others were even too small to play with. So So I defeated all of them, even the big ones, the ones that are not in my age, I just defeated.
2018 nyabigena Kisii School Sironga na buba Rengororo bakaenda nationals. 2019 narutua tuareta abana batangani ko Gusii bakoenda for an international event eya renge nyabigena boys asena renge coach
Walito sangana babo nigo bagokera egosori esekeri bate babuna ne egosori gokonya omuntu kujara kurengera limono basebono basabira gwatani beserekari kuone kibuna chiskuru au njibwate egosori yeli kwegerera chigosori chikonyara gusuka na kwenda sekerengo kende.
It helps you in having great focus, for example in mathematics and other subjects like physics and chemistry.
This is a mind game, this is chess. It contains you to know more about it. It can help you in mathematics. It makes you, before you think, you must make a move.
Chess is a mind game. You have just to think at the opponent. Don't be shy when you're playing chess.
Chingongo chinde chia Kenya already nchitotanganirete musio ase omocheso yo babere bakoenda ase ense ya isiko mara nyinge na ende mbono na intutotate koranga korwa orogongorwa Gusii na intutuatwalira abana baito toba exposure to the outside world with regard to this game.
Buna gosori enda yonse nigo bona batebire buna amaegerio gosekerike manyeka inde buna practice na ragane iria se gosori yese bali bonse bakole chigosori chentunde banyalire kwegwo moyo konyara kugendera kwegera se chiskuru chiabo na kwenda kibuna sentunde kubwati mbabe bamanyire mono kobo komanya kwa ba sentunde ko report rigeta seni kya Ndizi TV korwa igase skuru ya Kisii School elietaliane ndemo Steven mete manje mali kwarori abana bandi na ende na bakwana buja sana yo manje mali ria gosori ye na gosori anyare kuko yigodo ebirengeri ayo no mogosori na onye kubwato omwana reko konya kumotebye binte binge munaria gosori ye na gwetire gosori ye na bakonyara ko bakagwe somi ebinte binge no manje mali mbaro bakuboli ndake chess na kyekororeka no manje muligereri nigekororeka na iga eyeko kwa chessboard na beko bene ne chinde chiaba chinke korende enigekoro kwa chessboard bwate magnet na gekoro chibitari kogwera na buko imoki goro na ndoke irani igo machumere yeko kubuna chessboard na bali bakogosori ndobwate nseme yemere black nseme ende ko ba white wono goika munyare kogosori mwensi yamo goika king edare ko bakego tigara king era be ko bakego tigara nere yajara ko ba nere yajara ko bomo bui. Before we talk about the game of chess, how it is played, how the movements are done, when you went to Moi Girls Eldoret, how did you see your experience there now that you are representing the South Nyanza region?
When I went to Eldoret, Moi Girls, it was so fun as I joined my other fellow friends who I never knew them. But when I was in Eldoret, I found and what I experienced there were some tactics which were very good and they taught me how to play. And as I managed to score all my games, I want to thank because this chess, it has taken me far away from Kenya. Even last time I was in Zambia, I want to thank this chess because when you play
have it chess, and thank it. Okay.
When you play this chess game, you can concentrate very well, and when you play, you enjoy. You not only enjoying, but you learn some tactics, and you'll have even your friends will feel good of you. Thank you.
Yeah, I know you've really explained how this chess you've thanked it. That's why I've given you so that you thank it. And then now when talk about when you were in Moi Girls Eldoret, how many preliminary rounds did you play in, and out of them, how many did you win, and maybe did you get a chance to qualify to go to the African Championship?
Yeah. When I was in Eldoret Championship, we played 8 rounds. In them, I managed to win 7 of them, and I qualified to Liberia, which one will be held in December.
So you really prepared for it?
Yes.
Yeah, mwanchomori gonna gwetera chess yeye. Nanyara ko bagatia abana bali avake inse miaka 13 parachika bako represent inse ya Kenya, imense ya Liberia sama mireno chess asa na bwate inse ye miaka 13. Ndake ayebuno moibori oye ni maite chess nero nete investment ye nyinge sana. Uikira ige so mwana ikire. Ndake gatia investment chiri abayibori barakore kwani kuno mwana umanyire chess yeye unyanchire investment ski chira se chess yeye.
is what it na what investment is in terms of
anda kingi keri kero muibori bono omwana atete kwesomia gosoria abwene tagore anyare kugitwara na ndake erinda anyare go train kiboikerano erinda anyare kwamirania na abana bande
una moniga Kisii introduced West School and into what the crab is koga ono ntotete ave budget kongo so muibori eso tekero mwana muibori kanyo alo opportunity egento byo kabwene to ko na board kanyo ria board and then abakonyora crab ntobwate abagocha ochesa na bande ntotete ave experience kwanya na Gusii twanya na bana babere batatu which ya mumbero mwana omokonko mwira sekete oni igese investment igento muibo no ntara twara board chibodi nchirose tongogocha twamwa ochesera
Nake goma chemo no igweta ndake una vuanda ke bintu bibeneria SHS kwani kuno mwana onyarire kwenyora natali abana yoka chesi yo nigere mbaka yabanta banene singenjo kuigurero monte virengere na kumanya bune kwa sorigu kwende kwa niaba ya wale ambao wanakutazama kwa wakati kama huu umeshika chessboard labda kwa haraka tu kwa dakika 2 movements ya hizi pieces ongeza kuelezea movement yake iko vipi kwa sababu najua wale ambao wanatazama kuna pia picha zingine ambazo wanaona kuhusu hizi players so movement yake unasema jina yake na vile inafaa kumove ndakusaidia endelea.
As we look to this one is known as the castle. At the castle you always move horizontally and vertically and it attacks the way how it moves. Here on my hand we have the knight with K. It moves 3 steps forward then form an L as it lands. Also at same it attacks the way how it moves.
And in fact, for the sake of demonstration, you can be holding it. Then when you say how it moves, you can say this is a castle. Then you put it this way. Then you say it moves this way or this way. Yeah, for the sake of demonstration. Now, you've explained the knight with the K. You said with the K. K silent. Okay, yeah, go on.
And here we have the bishop, known as the bishop, which one it moves diagonal. It moves on the straight line, which one like this. We have the white bishop, which one it moves on the white square, which one it's diagonal. It moves like that, and when we look at this bishop, it's next to the king because it's white. And let's come to the king. The king, which one it moves 1 step. It can move to any place, but at the safe place where it's going to land, and it attacks when it lands there. And here we have the queen, which one it can move to any place. It can decide to move vertically, horizontally, diagonally, but on a straight line. We come still to the black bishop, which one still moves diagonal at the straight line. And same as the knight, which one moves in a L shape. Thank you.
Maybe what about the pawn?
About the pawn, they move forward, which one it's vertically. In opening, you can move 1 step or 2 steps, and after you move like that, you can continue now with 1 step. Thank you.
Manje muri ne roso mitali nche igo na boroche unanyare ko bagakorera na beire igo na bobiko skiko kire gintu kirase chess niyo ke bwate chiste ngibata machikaye esikera sukia segeta suke erinde go soria gendere when as you conclude maybe the briefing that you're giving the people about the chess now how does one win when does one win the chess game?
In chess game, the one if you want to win you must checkmate the king. At checkmating you can use as many pieces to checkmate the king. I can checkmate the white piece or the black piece. By checkmating, it means that you have put the king at the place where the king cannot move. There is no place where it can move. Thank you.
That's when you've won the chess game.
Yes.
Andake ayuna tato mwabona buna komoro kiandake na kisafari ya renge kwena kibuna umwana obwatange miaka kianda ubwatira machika yonsi ipi na kisafari ya renge
safari na nkomo ya renge sengencho como explain it kele piece one by one andamane gasia andamane jamwelete chingaki lakini dende kumwin college na kumwele tournament chinyinge which ya chito como konya mpaka gacha kumanyesa igete chito como konya ya renge safari rahisi ande Kerona muchagete tene kon usirene twarenge bantu bange igoda ya tumia te chibastinge kumueda mostly Nairobi, Kisumu, Mombasa paka bono baka kachawikere.
Na kagora nseme ya Facebook ati abali bato bwate ndo chaika Babu Mkongwe. Agoteba watching live from Onywera village. This is pure talent. Oyu Babu Mkongwe naero omuraria igakoro Ndizi TV amangana ali arengete rumba. Naero gotebya amangana arengete rumba igombya mona soko bwatia Babu Mkongwe kone abantu ba South Mugirango. Nindo chaika ntoroche Omaturi Vincent agoteba korwa bo machoge bora bwitongo. Bogisiang Kyonseito na onde mbia mono Omaturi Vincent akobati korwa sense mweri ya Facebook na nyirabone to sanganere Adrian Kingsley gati ya abana bali korongorwa Gusii barabe koba bakwenda sense ya Liberia ase Chigosori churches asa abana batabwatie myaka eternity 13. Maybe now this chess academically, you know, some people may see that games distract students from achieving their top in class. This chess, how has it helped you to be organized and even in academics to improve your marks and your scorings?
Yeah, as I said, chess it's a mind game. When you play, you need to concentrate and you need to think in chess. That's why mostly when you play this game of chess, you use a lot of brain to think, and when you think, it's the same way as you will be doing your exam, it's the same way as you will think using your brain, and you might achieve. You won't think only once, but you may think twice.
There is that kid who is watching you right now, who may be saying like Adrian Kingsley, whatever he is saying is so inspirative, and I may wish to endeavor in this game of chess. What encouragement do you have to a kid like you, watching you but doesn't have the exposure of chess as you have?
Can you come up again?
Yeah, I know there are kids who may be watching you right now who may wish to have an interest with chess. What encouragement do you have for those kids?
I want to encourage you kids that tell your parents to teach you about this chess, because this chess, when you play, you'll be having fun, and when you play this chess, it concentrates your emotion. Sometimes when you've been beaten, you feel sad, but when you beat someone, you feel happy. Thank you.
Mwanjomole nkwana kinde una kwanire iga atararo iga se studio mwanjomole noro se ningosoli nere na amachibu ayo unara nera mwego se nacha sembe ustago cha sembe se njabe yo bosoko na botogote bambu ya mwana tetubati amangana World Cup kara bamaya na bango batebe mwanjomole ntwa gosoli na Kingsley na bamachibu alenge igo. Are you ready to play with me?
Yes.
You ready for the challenge?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see how it goes. Andaka yabona buna tato mwaboni mete savari ya Liberia. Nimete teri ngororo buna area Kisii School, buna area Moi Girls Eldoret. Nkidiro cha yabona uko Chigokora. Kwa kibuna nense meri ya Liberia bado estimated watch kwenda inse gweterere konyora amachibu aramaya.
Advantage ya kero mwana winile championship serikali gocha ya bwato mwana. Bone bintu byose serikali gocha natige. Bone serikali ko organize yo kumuira. The only thing in Chabuneze talent yo kumutakira na masabo na como kora training more kumuira akore training hiyo peke yake ndio saizi na mtarajia.
Labda kwa upande wako, najua safari ya Liberia haitakuwa rahisi kama ile ya Kenya ulipokuwa pale upande wa Moi Girls Eldoret. Ni kipi kile ambacho utaweza kufanya kwa sababu ukienda Liberia pia wale wote wametoka Afrika yote bado utaweza kung'aa?
Kwa sasa nastahili kuwa najivunia, nikuwe na imani, juu nitakapoenda huko nitakutana na wale ambao pia nao wamejitahidi, pia nao wanataka ushindi, na mimi sitabaki nyuma, nitaka kujiweka mbele ili niweze kutangulisha nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Labda kutoka kwa ile shule ambayo unasoma, shule yako ya msingi, labda chess hii iko pale na ni support ipi ile kama ipo walimu wao wanakupa?
Walimu huwa wananisaidia,
Shule gani? Samani ni shule gani?
Ni AIC Grace. Walimu huwa wananisaidia, ninakapo tuenda wananisaidia mimi na babangu, wanatuambia, wanatupa shukrani na kunipa mazuri na kwa kuniambia asante kwa kutuponyeza sisi kama shule yetu.
Ana yo manchimo yo noje kero mwana wa kwarabuya no muchengo cyase skuru muchengo cyase abaiboli na grabo ni gase Adrian Kingsley tali muchengo twa sorongo rwa gusikonde no muchenga ase Kenya sengenjo ebendera ya Kenya ase gosori ya chess abana insembe ke 13 Adrian nabe kati abana bande baranyale kwa bakolina ndege kwenda maka Liberia sekanere gwakanira kwenda na koirana goiko mwana nyare konyora exposure nene gwetera ase gosori andaka ebuno moibori oye kwarure gosori ye tikeni tv ketikenene tikeni tivolemo tikeni tichibodieji na inyomba tweso monta aranyare ko bagagotegera na gosori ngiri ora sabe chi skuru chiri chitaranyara ko embrace chess chikore muno chi skuru chie primary
before tutaraenda tambe eshida tobwate nyingi na baiboli ebakore gente ke bana ni mchezo ya karata eketai mchezo karata enogo solve chibasel ono chiskuru chitara baiboli badbari chiskuru chinde oni skuru ya bote bwati yugon Kisii ntote tochaka korasi crab in fact na boninga ntobwati crab ebinge busiga ono digia kemo wiro mwana ogo achake go kora training mapema omokonye nera anyale ku enjoy anyale go konyora matunda ono mwana yanyo ro mwana
andake ekore gente ke mwancho bori maite na mangi twaro gusanga igoro ya chess to gosore mbaka tonyoro mobuyi korende chess ebiro to bwatene binyeto wente to kwanira somoro beri bwe Chigosori ase bana goteba mbia mona ase bali babwatiri ensemeye to abwate igoro ye gosori ya chess korende ntarakora gochiko bande kiro mondo inseta ikeyemo nari kurengana yavu yo mwelio asichinga kibato raiga ime Ndizi TV. So Adrian Kingsley, which is your final word for those who've been watching us here in Ndizi TV?
I want to tell you that please continue playing this chess, because when you play chess you'll be very cooperative, you'll manage to keep your time well, you'll be able to do your plans well. As I want to thank my father, who are still am I looking for sponsorship. I want, like, my best school is Fairmont and other schools. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I know through God's intervention you'll get a sponsorship for this chase. And like I know moibo ibonenga na yo moerio ase bali bato gereri ase bire bitwata reme Ndizi TV.
Engana ya ndio moiso omoibori korenga egente ko mwana nyere okwana nya tema chini onyo na kyogoikera mwana obonera nyare chinga kero mwana to mubekere getabu gyoka sene tigo sene simu nyaro mwana nera nyare gotwara chinga kichokora ko chess kuna abasabere in case shida kera atoke na moko inkera na nabongo nyako ba advice ne kimogwana tamoko
andakembia muno sana science pigwa sangriwo mwanchombo leri kwa igure kuragani obokonyi iguru ya chess nimete mwana otevire namba nabokonyara korwe namba yao asoli uragani ogoikera na koko rindo umubwatani na abwatani banda abange iguru ya gosori ya chess nabokorwe namba yao esoli kurigererete
oyo data kanya robokonyi namba ya nere 07 07 86 38 50
nabokorera nainde
ngirorere ede 07 07 86 38 50 oyamon
mbea mono sana ase chinga kichaino mwanyara kobeke senjorero ne weekend ebinto ne binge bateba shughuli ni mingi masandi yo chache konde mwatebuna kweka mware kweka ime Ndizi TV na mwasangire. So thank you Adrian Kingsley for coming here in a weekend which has many activities, at least for the much insights that you've given, and to all those who are watching. I know they've learned much about chess, and next time again we look for a way that we also bring you here, that next time I bring you with another kid, you play. The time you live here on the stage or on the screen is when we find the winner. Next time that I give you that challenge. Thank you so much. Omanchomo rigereri ayunga tiali tu emaniri korwa senseme yentangani twabwate ya gosori ya chess korende korwa senseme yenko yonero ni metere binte vinge bitwende go kwanera turanda so mutima komukiko tukoirana ndobe tukomera nere saiti oyore omokonyi bwa omonyakero go bwekombe gia football Kenya Federation ime county ya Kisii najo tebya mangana mangi sana rengetenko yo nimete mubwata maswali ya mange igoro ya mini league timete ose mwairu awards chia mini league ngochara igate byanda kemero beri kiba begete gose inkikeri turabeto korasa matukarebosyo asenko ya Gusii ne enkoyo ya Kenya mutima komo keigo nkoira natore.
Sunlight Academy Day and Boarding ni skuru y'uboroso igutuka Nyamache county ya Kisii. Nigebwate ibirasi bya preschool gwike kirasi kya gatano na gatatu nigo bare asagia abwatobo twereru bwogosomera aborokia nigo baisaine riba gari yo kugosoreria nebintu byo kugosoreria nigo babwata mabaga asibirasi ao ayerera onyoreru mwana uribaga asiskuru iryo irianyora megerio no gosomigwa chisemi nigo kire chengencho mono naigo asumwana wo aguchinyora gwikaba asare yengencho mbabwate gari yeskuru eje okonya sobo sombi bwabwango batalire nsemu ya Nyamache chimita chimia isano na isato choka kurwa asibara ya Kisii Kilgoris gusoba kirisimi ase namba enoti isano na ibere enoti isano na isato isano nemo isano nemo marakabere Sunlight Academy Day and Boarding Primary School ya kini die bienko biechisemi College ya Tenacious Harbor niyo igore timiranko yaye guchese bari batagite kwegera ububweni bwo tumika imetegeke Gusii aburukigwa bari yabubwate alama yedi nabo bagosomera emirimo buna certificate in herbal medicine, certificate in nutrition and dietetics, certificate in physiotherapy nabo igo certificate in ICT asebari yabubwate alama ye C- niko bagosomera a diploma in herbal medicine, diploma in nutrition and dietetics, diploma in physiotherapy and diploma in ICT. Boyo nkosomya bare chipakichis cha computer, web design, video production na short courses. Eyuko manyamange kubwatikana nobukorani bwabo batarire imuyumu chokisi asamagacho a Twins Towers rirongoli ya kabire gusoba kirisime ase namba enotibere isate enoti sano na ibere nabwo kubandikira liuko ase email yabo ya info@tenacioushablecollege.co.ke. Facebook nigo kubanyora buna Tenacious Herbal College. College ya Tenacious Herbal nigere certified na ISO. Kubwatikana nobonye bwito bwige kigetambe asense mu yibintu byo tumikistima nigo ya enekigubuna nigo kubinyora imiyeduka yemo ya Light Tower asirigurianse nasobwamo nigo tubwate chitayabuna colored lead light ebirobu bya fluorescent fittings, snake lights, chandelier lights, downlighter, security lights na motion sensor lights. Boigo tubwate assorted garden lights, conduits, fitting sockets, industrial sockets na insulator switches neji socket chechingencho chunsi. Boigo tubwate chi ceiling fitting, chi cable ao meter boxes, switch boxes, chi fuse, circuit breaker, conductors, earth rods, consumer boards, power extensions, fridge guards, showers na lamp holders. Boigo ngo supply bare ime Nyamira, Migori, Kilgoris, Homa Bay, Kisii nechize muchieta naine. Nabugu tutarira ime yomu chokisi asamagacho a old Sansora building angenegete sini kanene gechigari gosio to akirisime ase namba enoti sano na ibere yemo inyemara kabire enoti sano nemo gose enoti sano na ibere inye noti isano nemo isano na isato enoti eyemo isato. Light Tower, your one-stop shop for lighting and electrical fitting. Omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwawo ase television ya Ndizi TV chinka kichindi chonsi elyo wikere abarigereria kuro county sana na ibire echo chira sorogo nkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba enoti isano na ibire inye isato isano nemo ibire isato isano na ibire eyemo elyo togwikere gose otutarire ase chiabisi chito echo chira ase nyumba ya Brighton Apartment ejire busyo bwekiro ya Embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omu Gusii. Ndizi TV obwenso bw'omugusi nigo bono yakire kirundekerene nego kurutira chibiche chinkia na bwigo chinkeno nukukigima na bwigo tonyora asoro gonko bwogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195 Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders Digital TV na Smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo iko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ikigo korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu vuomogusi. Ndizi TV obwensu vuomogusi. Umurobrio bw'Chigosori nigo koretwa asore na Peak Uniforms and Sports Center abarosia na buigo abaonia bechianga ao chokobeka banyore imeyumu chukisi ase nyumba ya Baraka Building angena Shivling Supermarket gosoba keresime ase namba enoti isanonegere ibere noti isato kianda isanonemo enoti
Mwanja mwerera na teo ndimokora ngia mwakega sense mentanga nitwa Adrian Kingsley omwana inse miaka 13 ujikorukuru ega sarongo rwa Gusii na kwenda sense ya Liberia ase Chigosori chiri cha African Chess Championship under 13 kono na sense meye tosera sense meye yenkoyo na shinka kechiga ni gombwate omokonyi bomunya kerogo wekiombe gia football Kenya Federation me county ya Kisii tinkwana mangi igora ina bocha kaneri etari yao na andake egasi ya uboronga ebune vice chairperson neriri
biemono aso TV ya Ndizi amarieta Moses Sondara Saiti yonde vice chairman ya federation ya Kisii County. Egasi yane in the federation ne area etangani area ko delegated na a committee ose chairman aise ko responsibility gete alafu most specifically igere and the chairman ya league and the competition committee.
Andake tera kwase leagues and competitions committee in LCC kake andake se miaka maiga bantaba kose babera kumanya buna andake yo romo chairman o leagues and competitions committee no munya kerugo wa FKF gatie zone chiri oyo mobo andake indiri chikono lia chago cha somo vice chairperson gose erupole yunerororo.
Well eyo igere ebiwango awo bono ase a county iwonde chairman ase region ne asitwa introduce another level yo kwa kumupira na lia chairman ya Kisii County ne role now the chairman of league and competition and division 2 nero ne wa the chairman yende na NSL na Premier League. So injemne vice chairman ya Kisii County iwonde chairman ya LCC at the county level.
Rafa chairman yao yaba LCC at the regional level. Go mancho mali andake roko leagues and competitions committee abana wali bagucha vaikara seka kiende on spiel ligi agendrete ebi nabia toka gosama chiko abwentabeku abangati ya bali bakwa bagoikara seganda ke amabodi ali on spimo bwate egoro ya Kisii County League na yabeke gochaiga ase Mr. Saiti yoro mokonyi womo nyakerogo wekembegia football Kenya Federation totigara abuga inse chiwiki yange isato inyaiga ndo atwara mini league ya Kisii County League andake se mini league ye abange bali bayiteke esemberi ya Kisii School andake mbaba bakoteba andake ekorekana enubuna ekiombe mwarenge tayari kwariga ni Chigosori chiri nekene
to some extent nekene and to another extent nabonda tebenga twabwate loopholes mainly yeri yabwate problem especially asichikad chebachesaji and yarweta singejo from national level chikadi ky'abachesaji chiwenete koba FIFA Connect lakini asing'enjo twabende suspended as a country ntwale konyora koros chikad FIFA Connect etakorete gazi ekarue gatware problem mpaka grassroots. That is why last time twatwalde that loophole. Above all, team chabede invited as a main league chabete chinyingake 12 of them na ende preparation yaba mapema to be prepared on how to give them the awards. And we must apologize to the teams gekogeram obumane bwa mangano simbolinga as a federation ntoe ti team awards sirichiatakire because of the financial constraints.
Koba wachire wengo paka as awards so mancho muri mete chitimu chiringa ti abeli abete ke gutangana na timu ya Tendere FC ya abete namba ibere bogia kumu FC echibere chikanyara libagari ya bene kwende ya Nyanza Regional League namba isato timu ya Mwembe namba nye timu ya Mogi timu ya Shining Stars andake ese katukorigeri gandake naki award ngego konga whereas ese eligi nyume ligi taracha koseke gendrete kwa timu chonsi pi chiregister kwa chase kambegia Football Kenya Federation na ogosemeri kwa watu bechi gosalimbo na chibesa chiricha registration na chiwante kwa nekibuna organization ya yundo buna awarding jo kwa register so ya se ligi yere bona chunga gati ya privileges wante banyore na ki eni vavete tiatoka hekokora awarding ya gwenerete
a problem in Tangani the source of funds as chitimu chikoba awarded ndere nechipesa chiri ko register at the group stage karchare ko compete every zone team njiru etibesa na ende ke wango kebekire to iskobekere team ya 21,000 to konyora team go participate in the league. So as a committee tukaanza ko allow teams to chase even without paying even a single cent. So teams
mukabeke loophole iwe gatoka.
Yes.
Okay.
Ono chitimu echi chichete a mini league na lichichete ko ba pressurized chikaru 10,000 each. Ekaru 10,000 that much of that organization ekatoko organize that event ma chibes chinyinge chikande uniform yichitimu mbere echinde preparation igeti echinde that is why emupira yabole twebere etanyarete koisana chitimu chons otherwise chitimu cha participated in the league zone A B and C onye chi register ne chibes chabekere to 21,000 each the qualifying teams jaro gutwara the same problem.
Yanda kikeja wote bankeri na andake korwa se league ya FKF Kisii County League team kando ya chiricha soita se bin league euchinde chons pinchi registered chons pi
njiru etibes.
Okay.
Yes.
Andake kere ni maite kere league yego chaka whatever ogoswa se process especially any game competition the reward ndio chaba part of the motivation kona ndaki kirike rete mwatebira ro besanchia isaine oseko mabira echinde chinyinge chiche kwenda mweli yoye nini mukumure kubona ndake bate bandake wono ndo te bandake kangu chese county league Nyamirero awarding ya lengororo kisiteyo ndake liboli eli bali wansi bakwe boli liboli eli aroje ingikeri mugo chigokora kwana kibona iboli ndiri go chikobororo
litangani tagita wa apologize on behalf of the federation as a loophole to make during the main league into a later to a post match analysis na executive what we discussed nearing the first step to make all the teams which will participate in the county league to a meeting na stakeholders to iwanone how the payment at the same time as a committee will even include the officials the team representatives na baruba match as a committee barora on how their teams are performing in terms of payment and even obligation. So we suggested we'll expand the committee by bringing in coaches from the teams.
Andake totigara bwa semi nje ni metena mangeto bwante to kwale na amaboli aino na manga nyare ko baga ko ingira na nara tugendete ko batuko boli para bote bagatia low pulse weaknesses chabeta semi ni ligien tunde tani pine jugwate abandake mwa beta chitimu chinyinge kubwa chirichiaga neiri kaete mbaro roba bama itanda ke number 1 number 2 nere wentende mini kurende mwa extended beyond ya yunegi yakabere kanyare kana bunase running ya emini ligien tunde ekaba player cards njirigere iripi abwase chitimu choro chiemburunganite chewate abandake chitimu chinde cyari tabasori bande bakurukorwa sense meri ya regional league abande bakanyara korwa sense meri ya division 2 bawate abandake na FKF kere bari complain go chase mule ochoso chesa bwatani vaino bagatebe kubuna ndake inu cheso mopira onye komaite no maite cheso mopira ndake bate abandake yachi koba quality like this are climaxing ye process ya very season yengi bakonde the final stage etimu ndeta bwati chance yogo ikera omuntu division 2 was regional league reba buna ya babuneri ya unerigu lakini tokyo mari korengana na chinkuma chiri chiroro nchiri buna ndake sense meria awarding nero tikaine buna ndake gati ya officials vaino mbaso gete mbachi kwa award team chiri chiabua ekaba mbaka yo sana batigarete kero murobirio rioera science ipi kikirio patekeo goteba
litanga kabisa ase amagosa ali abete nintagete wa apologize on behalf of the federation and this time round tutagete cover all the stakeholders to include before we start the league and nintagete encourage coaches watch a meeting to gocha gutwara ekogera gebwate FIFA Connect. Now players will be registered online to tware FIFA Connect batware card from FIFA such that they can what a complaint to a portal to arase a player belong. That was the cause. Otherwise payment here we'll discuss and we'll equally allow them to monitor the expenditure of those monies were submitting to their account.
Emaite andake sentuli ya ite totige mindige liende ya vetege goeta toro chanda ke ati team chirichia vete koba chigo qualify kose kubwa Kisii County League wa segetembe nero ya nyalite koba ke gotanga na after team ya small Simba kurwa se account league ntundi ya vetege goeta toro chanda ke federation ye committed kobaga ni reverse registration as season ese league ya regional league wa vete bagoso andake morue ire yuko chesa team chia tendere FC na bogia kum.
Well, Tali not as an individual, unless we sit down as a committee to discuss over the same, but then will as well help them not to be harassed kwa in terms of intervals, just like small Simba. I want to clarify the same promise made by the federation they reach in liquid lakini still they were not chased away from the competition. However, we'll come back the drawing board to timu cheto chire regional league kuanzia division 2 regional league na county league to come into terms to asomukira we are in asinging to a FIFA Connect system.
Manche mule wanyambono kupatara na ito tuantego sangana Mr. Saidi Oyoro Mokonyi wa ekiombegia Football Kenya Federation Mokonyi wo munyakerogo daga otevia bange igoro ya eligi ya era ninki kirige tabete buya kirikia bete bya na kiritora kore kone kibune ntunde kubwatia ndonyo wale kirege nto right uchakiro muchakano kwene kibuna eligi rach kubwatia emechande arenge ntunde teriko chikoba se ntundende korende nabete ngosanga na tendere FC inara ya nyara ko bagiye kobwa igekombe gya Kisii County League na kurende gati yali baire taseni kya Ndizi TV na seba otabuna mbai sanegete na officiation ya renga sense meri ya Kisii County League tonda sense mu yakabiri studio toigwe nkwana yabo
most of the nkwana ase Chilef bia nkwana ase Chilef mostly Chilef njugwate challenging nyinge mostly timu yaito tendreusi ya tora challenging kurmaega mostly asa Chilef konyole lef ibwate mostly abausinyana na players utaka go punish otaka kupanisi team nchenda sabe chilefu chito chibe transparent mestironyo muntu ogosire mbabwata disiko liabo bata kupanisi umuntu tali mu team
nama ita chuna allegations na bachikobe chira usenchi bechi yake na korenda allegation ya officiation ebigation ya officiation na refereeing tera batu ase mangana ka Kisii County League Regional League ya tolo mochando UOU Division 1 Division 2 andake officiation kurwa se ole nama ite FKF nero gwetera ngaite mono gwetera se Secretary General nere kona kivuna referees mbare se keregeti officiation ya ritangani ne issue wese aba watani bego soli gose chikoche se ngwaine lichire. Is it an issue?
To some extent ne issue and at the same time coaches na barabo mbabwate some misunderstanding concerning organization. Everybody just like you man or you or chase is a person who makes an immediate decision a career incident yabeire na inde a coach igaro yugwitimu yemo tali gwitimu yera opponent so era akoligirerio kuye gwitimu ya yoka lakini rivalry era akoligirerio amagoso y'itimu chonsibe ibere na kire coach atagetabwe only decision ye coach amini ye rev te kubwikane ye coach onye yabwiro and in most cases actually for the first time Kisii County officiation ya improve tikatobe sincere. However, those small incidents chiro chinchiana okore nchiana kubura igento kero kinda aba encourage onye togo ja that level the chairman Yoito, I want to kumupongeza in one way or the other. He has already organized for a course both yechirivari nechicoach ekera bago chaba train kwanza wachakira Monday coaching gocha chire getembe tiga chikochi chiche training nechirevu chiche na kitochi bekireda at the same time totwale a meeting iramo those rules chia change kiromonda chi understand otherwise human beings are exposed to mistakes tingo bayigirira and tingo ba play ona twiboli twiswali elimo oraleta chitimu echibireke ti ochitebi chesa moto ya results nchitolenter
chikonyara
uikomogaya niakoreki
abegati
na kiki bono gekogera ntokutwara ntokoba 100% lakini kona kuimprove
yo mancho moriko no igwete iganda ke ngane mamune genda kirata nare gusanga no omokonya omorike monene bweko mbege FKF Kisii mageka nene tetanda ke somo chando kobera nali andake karako yore gosoria genderete epenize kwenu etaika ya 88 ebe genuine teba genuine about a very very fair uno mochando ora senko ya ite ene ro batari we expect keve epene nanu ekadie nanu bagote bandake igo bagote bandake ngane mwamune rivuna amangana officiation tali mangana FKF yoka tali mangana referees boka na mana koleta abantu bonse piamo wamanyama chikons pike boikerano elinda to muchando notoka munyara koba uligereri guke boikerano lakini mete nabutuko kwana mange sana kurwa nseme kurende ne binge tora kwane igoro ya running yenko yo yaito kurende ngane ro ya beire ke korandake obomo wekiombegia Football Kenya Federation awateba nini magoso makuru page au abwata nikiro monta abwate amachika ya kubwati abwate abantu baye bali bakumuigwera kura kwanire igoro ya obomo wekiombegia Football Kenya Federation ime county ya Kisii
obomo bwa abana chama
abarai
abarai ba federation mboli up to date hai varende ntokutiga gukora gasi nga ntoriamu igasi na beko gendera igento kero kionda atakego comment when ekero a federation ya twarite problem from national level that is why kiro montare ko read from we are going to some from different scripts. Lakini rende because irani line. Now those rules drive. The either it's election in which cover, the either tokogendera will as well read from the same script. Because committee have from national office, transition and ona machika chetaga kolikana. That is why to tarenge amo to that level. Otherwise, this season, na ende kuna one of FIFA connect yachi will place that on the Kiromont on the right track.
Kama chamorere kwa igora ndake igo anake amungo sana kulikuwa ngoro ata SH League mpaka National Super League KPL ngosana kuri kwa FKF eka committee hiyo kwa rwete kuri kono mpaka saa iga kurenda ona gosemerin kuri buna magayense ya Kenya kwa na inse yo burai bwa FIFA enko yo gutena uneke mbekirigia Football Kenya Federation ndrandake chinkwana chikobwatana asentunde kubwati kuri ndasa yuonsi ntunde kubwatia erate bine nyarekane gusete konyarekana kone metana mangetwa kwandre igoro ya enko yorogongo rwa Gusii kone chinga kieche chwanto gosoime ya National Super League nego magaye miake vere korwage tiki ya Gusii Stadium kinyara kwariga ni Chigosori Chainka nego lete koria igoro kiabete kova ke kwariga ni agosori enke ya Shabana FC ase yale konyagania timu ya SS Asad korwase county ya Kwale na ase agosori yayo nige timu ya Shabana FC yabwete goria ya masevosa vosi bwa mashabiki ya Yanka tumenda semu ya coverage tutu gwandake enkwana yaye omoro kyo manene bwe timu ya Shabana Sami Okot ereri yarenge mega ya gosori yeyo
Game imekuwa nzuri na feel tumekuwa leo na confidence na wachezaji wamekuwa more relaxed kwa sababu wamerudi kwa home ground yao baada ya muda mrefu. Pia nao support ya crowd ya fans wao pia nao imeongezea motisha kitu yenye wamelack kwa siku mingi sana. So na feel imekuwa ni plus kurudi hapa. Hiyo win at least tunawadedicatea kwa sababu ni siku mingi wajaona timu yao ikicheza. Peter Gechi namshukuru kwa sababu at least experience ni player ana uzoefu so anajua crosses kama hizo zikija ni wapi wako supposed kukua. So ni ile uzoefu wake ndio kidogo naweza sema ime-add kwa timu. Kwa football huwezi count hivyo. Ukiangalia weather alafu ukiangalia pia na opponent once umewafunga obvious wanataka kukomboa na kwa football lazima ukue careful sana vitu unafanya. Huwezi cheza all along vile ulianza ndio vile unataka kumalizia. So tactically tulibidi tukue careful, more careful. So ukikuwa more careful then attack yako utapunguza. So mimi kwangu nilikuwa nataka na win kwa sababu since ni second match players wanaendelea polepole kukatch up polepole ku gel up. So si feel kama kuna ubaya yote hata si tukishinda 1-0 so long as tumewin.
Asa maneta ngoro ku Dolphin Bwari omo nominated MCA account yetu ya Kisii. Lere twacha kushangiria wa muraba itu bashabana ba Chelsea umupira byasana we are all excited bunoroche geti abante bagogete. Omupira team yetu ya Shabana ni timu renkongu na ndio tutoba support all the way from the county assembly members wetu ba county assembly wana igenge nteke tanto tetego itine supplementary abana abanyore budget yabo banyore chibesa bago tumika sama tumizi yabo yochezo umupira egento kende na bongo wakera omugabana ito Simbarati okorega asiengia otoire stadium bono maige tiki abere na botogo chatacheza ne mpira itonka neji fans yao sipitia chireko support team yetu ya Shabana heko asante sana.
Nemata igona vomo chengore ngigase gati kia Gusii Stadium asanda kifaditari vaigwe zigori chive chinyinge korende tenare kanite naye coach yote bire kikirire tandake nemate kwa bire gati ya bali varwanire sana inkwira na segeti kia Gusii Stadium na nimete uke spina akorire geti kwa nikirege ntombi yakere na kiesa bali ya beire kuikaito kwa na segeti kia Gusii Stadium na kiri kiare gokongia kuru 2020 wekera voniga
ya beire ntambe lakini nyasao tokonyire twaikire level yo cost mupira oyo. By the way nanje kwanye kubwatinde timu ya wendo have been sympathizing na barabo as well twamenya the whole week getieke at least toke super nini no wonder nkira ike standard ile take lakini ndagete ko wakire county government ngambi yamon aso go facilitate okorosu kwegeti. That's why we came in mnatore chikoch nchiachete na chiref na chichama geti for free bakani. We stayed there naba frontiers ba Shabana tokamaki geti kekarwekana tokabeka chigol no nyane contractor singenjo tara konye tara batayale ale at chigol post. We came in and provided for the same. I want to thank no enu musio nero otemete tuwa kobero kursa moja ya mambi paka saa 2 auto. Otherwise we will improve with time. Ntorati kobero ibitongo biri bitegarite na okumaki kolikotara amari yabya n'ekikol post kirikia 5 pachibwana tekobeko tujitwankisha cyabiko batara kemepire ndi kobwat n'ekitimu kinde na Gusii.
Nakambia mona sana se effort mwabeka na nche na abakero se effort yayo iganda kyonege igasolera ni rasegeti kerikia Gusii Stadium manda korwa sense ya SMS ndo chaiga Vincent Nyasani ada una nkwanerie Mr. Saiti ate ba no montomia timaitie buyobu nkaila kirerate ay no montomia na ndake igose bali basifante ko tobwati mbia bana soko bwati Ndizi TV we buna botambe no murubiri bwe Chigosori na leroiga togosanga na Mr. Saiti yoro mokonyi bo munyakirogo ekombegia FKF county ya Kisii korende kinga kyeche mega ya Chigosori kwa na sigeti kya Gusii Stadium nigo gati ya batiotereri beti mia Shabana veso kina batewa bono Shabana tebwa excuse kende gionse bagatebire bara away mbabu ati fans morality okonde wikira boniga wikavana na machibu twende sema kabere studio twewe nkwane yu
ebinto biri konya batiotereri bamise tio mupira karora wendo mata abantu baitomba konyara na orje economy asari kire gamba konyora besa chio go travel yanda ke baike kereti mwe wakira wendo usenaroko onu mupira go chirange ga abantu bache banyare kwa bago chageti bari geli mupira sengenjo nabo gutara na magoro oikegeti gaiga nande andake timu kere wakira sebuna wendo turiko nyara kwa revenue turiko chase timu esengenjo mashabiki tariko travel yakane no nichiba siageita basoegeti bono timu nechebe gukonyeka ase revenue na sa mashabiki chabo tiotereria timu ito ligaretire ligi konya tonya gotenga getito waka away from home bono lende tiatu akirenga esise niengora timu chito cha Gusii FC na Shabana ngotira chire ligi igara jikirie tiri bagaji timu chire chikorunze na
Jefferson Kiondi ara mobata nkoro ase timu ya Gucha Youth FC nero muteterio monene sana bwe timu ya Shabana FC kuresa mwe SMS ndo chaiga Rayo D agote abakorwa bosongo no otoramo iyo game na kutaka challenge ngate ali kebenga livitu ya koso yeli ya chess kurende Rayo D teri raisi go bado teri raisi go na bado ugo itu na tokora kende korende challenge yeyo ntorigani toregose ne nyari kane kone nyuma to yuna bashabiki bate abanda kibona guika Shabana e perform kone taraikerabu omoro kyo monene bwe timu ya SS Sadam kende buna Ali Hamisi nere nandake ne murungana tigoro ya eguriria na netu andake na beteko baga kwe murungani sendaga nitonde sema ya kabiri studio go birenga ya liviaye mayogo kweru na Shabana egure ya masevosa.
Kwa jina kamili naitwa Ali Hamisi Marumu. Nashukuru game imekuwa poa, lakini marifari hawakuwa fair kwa sababu mimi wasilalamika kwa marifari hawakuwa fair. Nashukuru pia vijana wangu. Mimi nimetravel jana, nimefika hapa saa 5 mchana na nimeliki timu kama hivi Shabana ambao wako nyumbani na crowd, lakini wamepata tu goli ya kupewa. Na pia nimeacha vijana 10 first 11 yangu hawakuja, wote wana injury. Kwa hivyo nasema nashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu, nashukuru game imeisha salama. Kijana wangu mmoja ndiye amepata injury, mpeleka hospitali, lakini niko na imani Shabana watakuja nyumbani nitawalipiza.
Kwa mechi yao labda kuna nani na mtajipanga?
Nyumbani tuko na game, tulikuwa tuwe na Gusii, sasa wametolewa kwa ligi, sijui tutakuwa na nani. Tulikuwa tuwe na Gusii kwa nyumbani. Kimimi yani wangeongeza hizo timu watu wakacheza ligi ikakuwa strong, kwa sababu ukiacha timu 13 itakuwa isaidii kitu. At least hiyo 20 au 19 itakuwa ni competition nzuri. Mtu atakuwa anang'ang'ana anajua ni vipi anafanya.
Yune nkwana ya ensemeria SS asad kwende yune nkwana yavo so tere bono ndake mbaganya Shabana FC yakwende semo ya Kwale party anire una shabare te ko rusi point oro ko nda senko yo mupira wo gotira na wo kwenda nseme nda yose stora ganye second leg ikita nyale ko bage ko konde kwa nera kwa nira ba gote banda ke valenge ba Gusii na Gusii FC ase go sole ko bwate ko lende dore kiombe kerikia sports dispute tribunal ke wate babuna anda kilichiko liria ete Gusii FC omwe bunangutira bari league sengencho promotion na demotion yale gochikobororo yanya gutuguterware na bono promotions na demotions nchirora andake ndora ndiki na kiende gusebono kuronse ikide kuno nkayiye ikeire Gusii FC ya rule league
inokakere koti ya mwire gento tukunyara kwamire egento yoke federation ya korete e fixture ya begete mapema ase kitimu chiri genuine erekogendera meanwhile ntoganyete for an appeal as a kitimu chiri chabeta affected by the same program as a koti ya mwete as for now mupira which team chiri chabeta relegated ne chabeta promoted a fixture yabo ya tenenete until such a time that we will have direction.
Nimeteta kwa ni kwana mange senche kuneki nake ndete ko tako jara ko iranse mende sikolende ine rebi chero ndake timu chiri chance fibu na AP Bomet charenge chitire igoro hero charenge saribu na Gusii FC chiko soli chave chitene ine goikera chinjira chiri chance picheli chiko chavide exhausted ndi chiburira abeli ko riwasokigo ndalibona abeli ko koleru egasi umwancho molere ayungati yali twale ko sankurwa samana lyarengete enkoyo ya korogense mo ya Kisii na ima ya ense ya Kenya tozabona sense meri ya World Cup ni golitko lya lero turanyole chitimu ibere chiri chiranyare ko so sense meri ya semi final cha World Cup chikomera na amo na ense ya Argentina na ndake ense ya Netherlands koranda ke naki amangana yara nyare koba ga koba na Netherlands ya bete koba ke goso korende Argentina ero yina chiriteri bagari ya bene dio gusuka musio nanda ke Brazil ekasuki kune timu ya Croatia go Croatia yasoe mechi semi final nanda ke timu ya Argentina ya sera semi final de roiga semi final lentangani quarter final lentangani rabeka